Okay guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson we'll be talking about forex currency pairs and different type of industries and pairs to trade on. So generally, pairs simply means the currencies that we trade, like the GBP USD, Euro USD, and let's say SZD USD. And so basically we have three major categories of forex currency pairs. First, we have the major pairs. Second, we have the minor pairs, and thirdly, we have the exotic pairs. The major pairs. The major pairs, they are the most popular currency which are being traded in the whole world, and they literally have high volatility more than the rest. And secondly, we have the minor pairs. The minor pairs are also popular with less volatility, but are not as popular as the major pairs. Then the exotic pairs. The exotic pairs are usually not what's it called. They have low volatility and they are not that traded in the what's it called. And we literally are not going to trade exotic pairs, maybe, but that's my own opinion, and I don't see any trader trading what's it called exotic pairs. But to your own wish, you might wish to, but it's literally like let me say, like, I don't know, waste of time, because the liquidity in the market is not present there and stuff like that. So what are these currency pairs like when we say, let's say, the Euro USD? The Euro USD simply means when you are buying Euro USD, you mean the euro should have stronger value than the USD, than the United States dollar at that moment, at that time. Same goes to the what's it called, GBP USD. That means you want the pound, the Great Britain pound, to be stronger than the United States dollar at that particular moment. So the same when you sell, you mean the US dollar is gaining value more than the GDP, or the US dollar is gaining value more than the euro at that particular time. So the most popular and the most traded pairs in the whole world is Euro USD. So guys, these are the major pairs, the minor pairs, and the exotic pairs. So you have the Euro USD, you have the USD JPY, that means the United States dollar versus the Japanese yen. Then we have the Great Britain pound versus the US dollar. Then we have the US dollar versus the Swiss francs. Then we have the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Then we have the Australian dollar versus the United States dollar. So when you observe, the pairs have been are being quoted based on the country and the country's name and the pair they use. Like let's say the GBP, this is the Great Britain pound, so they use pound. This first two is the Great Britain, something like Australian Australian dollar. Then we have the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Then here under the minor pairs, we have the Euro GBP, we have the Euro AUD, the GBP JPY. Then we have the New Zealand JPY, the CHF JPY, GBP, Canadian dollar, and so on. So we literally don't trade much of what's it called. We don't even go to the exotic pairs.